Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I use this colander in preparing tin ackee. So try to get something that can withstand heat, because you'll be putting this in hot water. So here I have my grease ackee in salt water, and I've gone ahead, opened and thrown off that salt water, thrown it in this colander and immerse the colander in this boiling pot that I have some yam and banana and all that stuff. I also did cook the saltfish in this water. So this ackee now is gonna get that taste like when you're preparing the tree ackee that would be boiled with the saltfish. So let this simmer like that for about 2 minutes. Move it away, place it into another deep bowl that can drain the water, so not to have that water splashing when you're gonna go and fry up that ackee with the saltfish. So this ackee was a little bit soft at the top, but I didn't mind that, sorry, because I normally go ahead after I open the can and when I'm frying to kindly, cut the bigger ones in two, because I don't really like to eat that big piece. So just gently stir using maybe a spatula or something if you don't want your ackee to be in more smaller pieces. And there you go. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned.